Even if you aren't a bookkeeping professional, it's important that you use professional level tools. In this chapter, we're going to look at a few of the top bookkeeping software options on the market. Remember, you want your bookkeeping software to be easy to use, affordable, and can be accessed by multiple company members. QuickBooks. QuickBooks by Intuit is the most popular option for small businesses when it comes to bookkeeping and accounting software. It's quite easy to use and can be integrated with a wide variety of external systems. QuickBooks has a mobile app where you can take photos of your receipts. Depending on which plan you choose, QuickBooks can cost between $15 and $35 per month. 1, 3, or 5 people will be able to use your company's QuickBooks account together, based on your plan. This means you can easily share your books with your accountant, business partner, or anyone else who may need access. Wave. Wave is a free bookkeeping and accounting program that was designed specifically for individuals and small businesses. It has a surprising amount of features for a free service, such as tracking expenses, sending invoices, and balancing books. It can't do everything, but it's a great option if you're just starting out or trying to keep your budget tight. There's a premium option with even more features, which has the added bonus of removing the ads you'd receive in the free version. Wave also has a mobile app that allows you to take and store photos of your receipts. Xero. Xero is another easy-to-use program, though some users feel that it's too basic and they spend a lot of money on add-ons to make up for the program's missing features. This program could work well for a small business, but you may need to switch to a more comprehensive program if your business grows larger. Xero has a mobile app and no limit to how many company members can access one account. Depending on which plan you choose, Xero can cost between $9 and $180 per month. Sage. Sage has a wide variety of programs, which they divide by the size of the customer's business. You can, of course, choose any of their options, but their goal with these categories is to give you exactly what you need based on their experience with companies of a similar size. Their small business package, Sage Business Cloud, costs $10 per month and allows you to manage accounts, payroll, payments, and books. With this package, the account can be accessed by as many company members as you'd like. If this all seems overwhelming, keep in mind that you can get help and advice from a bookkeeper without hiring them full-time. You can find a bookkeeper that will work with you once or a handful of times to look at your company, introduce you to some suitable options, and even show you how to use the software you choose. You may decide to have someone come in every month or every quarter to check that you're doing everything correctly or answer any questions you might have.